Hi guys. Handy Hint Friday. And I think a lot of you are going to be able to identify with this. I'm helping a client with her wardrobe and everything's going well until she asked me to actually go down and have a look in her fridge to see if I find something I want to drink. Well, I went into that fridge and it was a nightmare. So, Helpful Hint Friday. Have a look in your refrigerator. If it's old, if it's not used, if it's expired, get rid of it and start organizing your fridge just as you would your wardrobe, just as you would your shoes or anything else, because it helps you in the long run. You don't have to stand in front of the fridge for 20 minutes looking at the same discombobulated mess, wondering what am I going to eat? Is there anything in here? Oh, there's nothing in here, because it's just a mess. I mean, we had to take an hour. We went through taking everything out. Take everything out and then arrange it accordingly with beverages, condiments, milks and juices. Do it properly. And I'm going to tell you, it'll save you so much time, and also it'll help your mental stress, because you will be able to look, you'll know where everything is, and you'll be able to get something good to eat. Anyway, have a great weekend and take a little time to look in your fridge. I'll see you on the next one.